Okay, Massive and Crew back once again with another video, and in this video I'm going to give you a little breakdown of a track I did making old school jungle using the software of today. So without further ado guys, let's get into it. So what I've got here is I've got a combination of Amigo where I'm using the raw break. So that's all cut up on the actual Amigo here. Then we have an Amen sample, again that's also cut up on the Amigo. Then I've done various slices with that, and I've also experimented with the stretches. You can see the length is on 2000 on this one, so it's going to be quite interesting. I've got a respace that's in Renoise, but then I've transferred that into Amigo. Got a little bit of pitch on it, as you can hear. Then this one is a little problem I've had with Amigo where the sample disappears. I don't know what happened. Maybe I think it's a directory thing. Somehow it can't locate directories properly. Got a few vocals took from one of my ragga packs here. Here we go. Check it out. Then we have another one here, which is actually stretched. Wicked. And then we've got another one here, which is Amigo again, female vocal. Check it out. Nice. Cool. Korg organ. Don't think I used that one. Then we've got a string in the Amigo, and this is pretty cool because I've used the chord facility on this. Now one thing I find about that string sound, the way it is there now, it sounds like that, what's it called, 7 Minutes of Madness or something? That's a wicked tune, that one, a Bug Con Plastic Jam. Big up Bug Con Plastic Jam. But that's what that sounds like. It's not from there, but that's what it sounds like. I got a string from Tal Sampler and then just done a chord in there with it. Got some hats from Tal. This is Tal's built-in library. Another missing sample there, not sure what's going on, but anyway, let's play this track from the top. Comment down below, let me know if you enjoyed seeing this type of thing, you want to see more track breakdowns that I've done. Yeah, check it out. Also want to say a massive shout out to all the channel members and also our new Patreons, Jake Cousins, Ian Cousins, Daniel C and Ali Alex. Thank you so much for all your continued support, it really means a lot, much appreciated. Big up Ali Alex, I know you've been there from day one. Enough love, back to the video. Right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed that. Press the like button if you get anything out of that. Peace out.